Oh, we're on.
We're always on.
Welcome to the Clearspring Family Kitchen. I'm Maria, and I wanted to tell you a little bit about us. Clearspring is a family business started by our father Christopher in 1993. Do you want to say a few words?
A few words.
No,
As in like a few words.
For over 30 years, we have worked directly with many local artisan food producers worldwide, the majority of them being family businesses just like ourselves. Together, we protect authentic organic methods of food production and preserve traditional recipes that might otherwise be forgotten.
And then the rest of us joined. My sister Lisa, my brother Alan, and even my husband Chris. We really are one big happy family.
We have over 300 products across 30 categories: organic, plant-based, refined sugar-free.
Every single one starts with someone who cares deeply about what they're making.
That care and flavour travels all the way from the producer to your kitchen. And that's what we want to share and celebrate.
Which is why we started the Clearspring Family Kitchen.
To show you what you can actually make with these incredible ingredients.
And you don't need to be an expert. There are a few simple tricks you can use.
Alan can't cook. So if Alan can do it, you can too.
Simple enough for a weeknight.
Impressive enough for a dinner party.
A big welcome to the Clearspring Family Kitchen.
We're really glad you're here with us.
So let's get cooking.
I'm ready.